It may surprise you to know that the most commonly experienced legal issues in the UK relate to professional or defective goods and services, making up 26% of legal issues relating to us, the consumers. Most of us bow down to the retailer service provider when trying to return a defective good. However, the retailer or service provider is responsible to provide you with a product or a service that is of satisfactory quality, fit for purpose and as described. The law of our land is pretty straightforward and the Consumer Rights Act states exactly that. Here are 3 key points that you need to know about your consumer rights. To claim a refund on a faulty product, you have 30 days from taking ownership, which would be either the date of purchase or when it was delivered to you, whichever is later. This is the law of our land, regardless of what the retailer's own rules may state. All of us at some point have seen no refunds in a retailer's space. A faulty good that is returned within 30 days must be refunded by the retailer, period. If you have passed the 30-day period of ownership, then you can ask the retailer to repair or replace your item within 6 months of ownership and discuss whether you prefer a repair or a replacement with the retailer. If you have owned an item for more than 3 months but less than 6 months, the retailer must give you a full refund if an attempt at a repair or a replacement is unsuccessful. If a defect develops after 6 months, the burden is on you to prove that the product was faulty at the time the goods were received by you. Getting an opinion from another retailer selling the same goods or some form of expert report could be very helpful for you to prove that your item is defective. Legally, you have up to 6 years to take a claim to the Small Claims Court for faulty goods, and I will give you lots of information on how easy it is to issue an online money claim in another video. But the simple rule is any item that is defective and returned within 30 days of purchase is due a full refund, regardless of what the retailer says. To empower yourself and find out more about your consumer rights without the legal jargon, then head over to our website at getlegallyspeaking.com and listen to our podcast episodes on consumer law parts 1 and 2, which I have recorded with a seriously good barrister, Tim Sampson.